Hello, fellow gardeners. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our gardening series. Today, we're diving into the fascinating and rewarding world of companion planting, a technique that allows different plants to grow together harmoniously. Imagine the joy of harvesting fresh, homegrown cherry tomatoes bursting with flavor and juiciness right from your garden. Now picture these tomatoes being complemented perfectly by the invigorating aroma and taste of mint. The best part, you can grow this dynamic duo together in a single pot. Yes, you heard that right. With the right techniques, you can cultivate both cherry tomatoes and mint in one container, saving space and enhancing your gardening experience. This comprehensive guide will equip you with all the knowledge and tips you need to cultivate thriving mint and cherry tomato plants side by side. From understanding their growth habits to ensuring they get the right nutrients, we've got you covered. We'll explore everything from selecting the right container, which is crucial for their growth, to managing the unique needs of each plant. You'll learn how to prepare the soil, plant the seeds or seedlings, and care for them as they grow. So grab your gardening gloves, gather your tools, and let's get started on this rewarding journey of growing mint and cherry tomatoes together. Whether you're an experienced gardener looking to try something new or just starting your gardening adventure, this guide will provide valuable insights and practical tips to ensure your success. Get ready to enjoy the freshest ingredients for your salads, salsas, and summer cocktails. With homegrown mint and cherry tomatoes, your culinary creations will reach a whole new level of deliciousness. Choosing the right container is crucial for the well-being of your mint and cherry tomato plants. The right container can make all the difference in how well your plants grow and produce. Remember, they'll be sharing this space, so size matters. A pot that's too small can stunt their growth, while a pot that's too large can lead to overwatering issues. Opt for a pot that's at least 18 inches in diameter and 12 inches deep. This size ensures that both plants have enough room to grow without competing for space. This provides ample room for both plants to spread their roots and flourish. The roots need space to access nutrients and water efficiently. Drainage is equally important. Excess water must escape freely to prevent root rot, a common problem in container gardening. Root rot can severely damage your plants, leading to poor growth or even death. Ensure your chosen pot has several drainage holes at the bottom. These holes allow excess water to escape, preventing water from pooling at the bottom and causing root rot. You can also layer the bottom with small stones or broken pottery shards to further improve drainage. This layer helps to keep the soil from clogging the drainage holes. Material-wise, plastic, terracotta, or wood are all suitable options. Each material has its own benefits and drawbacks, so choose based on your specific needs and preferences. Terracotta pots, while aesthetically pleasing, tend to dry out faster, requiring more frequent watering. They are porous, which allows air and moisture to pass through, but this also means they lose water quickly. Plastic pots retain moisture better, making them a good choice for those who may not be able to water their plants as frequently. Wooden containers offer good insulation but may require occasional treatment to prevent rotting. They can be a great choice for a rustic look. Choose what suits your style and watering habits best. Consider how much time you can dedicate to watering and maintaining your plants, and select a container that fits your lifestyle. Happy gardening! The foundation of any successful garden lies in the soil. For your mint and cherry tomato companions, a well-draining, nutrient-rich potting mix is essential. A good quality commercial potting mix works well. You can enhance its drainage further by adding perlite or vermiculite. When planting, position your cherry tomato plant in the center of the pot, ensuring it has ample space to grow upwards. Plant your mint around the edges, leaving about 6 to 8 inches between the mint and the tomato plant. This spacing allows both plants to access sunlight and prevents the mint from overcrowding the tomato. Water the soil thoroughly after planting, ensuring it's moist but not waterlogged. Remember, a good start paves the way for healthy growth. Both cherry tomatoes are a delightful addition to any garden. Their vibrant red color and sweet taste make them a favorite among gardeners. Mint, on the other hand, is a versatile herb that can be used in a variety of dishes and drinks. Both cherry tomatoes and mint thrive in sunny locations. Place your pot in a spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. This ensures that your plants get the energy they need to grow strong and healthy. If you live in a particularly hot climate, consider providing some afternoon shade to prevent the plants from getting scorched. Using a shade cloth can help protect your plants from the intense midday sun. Watering is crucial, especially during the hot summer months. Plants can quickly become dehydrated, so it's important to keep the soil consistently moist. Check the soil moisture regularly by sticking your finger about an inch deep into the pot. This simple test can help you determine if your plants need water. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Dry soil can stress your plants and hinder their growth. Water deeply, allowing excess water to drain out from the bottom. This ensures that the roots get enough water and helps prevent root rot. Fertilize your plants every 2 to 3 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer to provide essential nutrients. This will support their growth and help them produce more fruit and leaves. Tomatoes are heavy feeders, especially during fruiting, so don't be shy with the plant food. Regular feeding will result in a bountiful harvest of delicious tomatoes. Pruning is also an important part of plant care. Remove any dead or yellowing leaves to encourage new growth and prevent disease. Keep an eye out for pests. Regularly inspect your plants and use organic pest control methods to keep them healthy and thriving. With proper care, your garden will flourish, providing you with fresh produce and herbs all season long. Happy gardening! Section 5. Taming the wild mint, managing its growth. Mint is known for its vigorous growth, often described as invasive. While this isn't entirely accurate, mint can spread quickly, potentially crowding out its companion plant. To manage its growth, regularly prune your mint by pinching off the tips. This encourages bushier growth and prevents it from becoming leggy. When harvesting mint leaves, cut just above a leaf node to encourage new growth. Another effective method is to plant the mint in a separate pot and then bury that pot within the larger container holding the tomato plant. This creates a physical barrier, preventing the mint's roots from spreading aggressively. Section 6. Unwanted guests. Dealing with common pests. Unfortunately, our delicious duo can sometimes attract unwanted guests, pests. Aphids, whiteflies, and spider mites are common culprits that can affect both mint and cherry tomatoes. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of infestation. Aphids appear as small green or black insects clustering on stems and undersides of leaves. Whiteflies are tiny white moth-like insects that fly up when disturbed. Spider mites are minuscule and create fine webs on the undersides of leaves. Treat infestations promptly. A strong spray of water can dislodge aphids. Insecticidal soap or neem oil are effective organic options for controlling most pests. Always follow product instructions carefully. Section 7. Reaping the rewards. Harvesting your bounty. With proper care, your cherry tomato and mint plants will reward you with a bountiful harvest. Cherry tomatoes are typically ready for picking when they turn a vibrant red and are slightly soft to the touch. Gently twist the tomatoes until they detach from the vine. Harvest mint leaves as needed, snipping them off with scissors or pinching them off with your fingers. Freshly harvested mint leaves are bursting with flavor, perfect for adding to salads, teas, or cocktails. Enjoy the fruits and herbs of your labor. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of savoring the fresh, homegrown goodness you've nurtured with your own hands. Section 8. Conclusion. Enjoy the freshness. Growing mint and cherry tomatoes together in one pot is a rewarding experience for gardeners of all levels. It's a fantastic way to maximize space, deter pests naturally, and enjoy the freshest ingredients right at your fingertips. Remember to choose the right container, provide adequate sunlight and water, and manage the mint's growth. By following these simple tips, you'll be well on your way to cultivating a thriving and flavorful container garden. So go ahead, embrace the joy of gardening and savor the delicious harmony of fresh mint and juicy cherry tomatoes, all from a single pot.